Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share games with your friends and family on Steam. This tutorial will be quick and simple, just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now first of all, both of your accounts, your and a person you want to share a game with, needs to have Steam Guard turned on. So you want to go to Steam on Settings and click on Security. After that, you want to make sure that Steam Guard is enabled on both devices. After that, you want to click Family, and here you will see your family, and you can manage your Steam family by clicking on this option. After that, once you scroll down, you can invite a member here, search your friend list, and add it to your family. And after that, once you go, for example, on your library, and you choose a game, and for example, I have this NBA 2K24, which, as you can see, was shared from my Steam family. So my friend shared it with me, and now I can install it and play it. And that's pretty much it. You can share your games with your family just like that. And yeah, if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.